Hey, welcome to BlinkSkills. Today we are going to learn how to export a list of files using Windows PowerShell to a text file. Let's go ahead and begin, and we're going to be focused in the blue PowerShell window here at the top. So let's begin by getting a list of files out of a directory that we know has them, which is C Windows. This should be true for all of your Windows machines, no matter what version of Windows you're using. As long as you're using the default C drive, that same path should work. Just in case you don't know the directory of your Windows or the drive that it's on, let's go to ls $env :winder. Even if it's on the D drive, the F drive, even if it's in a different directory not called Windows, your Windows installation directory should come back if you have that. And then now we are going to use what I think of as the simplest way to send text to a file, and that is the greater than sign, and we'll call this win.txt. And we'll open this with Notepad just to make sure we have good stuff in here. And here we are, win.txt, with the contents of our Windows directory. Okay, so let's assume that we don't want everything. What if we only want, in fact, let's reopen this and look at it together. Got different types of files in here. What if I only want exe files without the log files and config files and all that, right? So I'm going to go back and I'm instead going to say winder/star.exe. And then I'll put this, let's first look at it instead of putting it into a file. And then look at that. All we have are exe files. Okay. And then now we're going to go ahead, do the same. Send that to a file called exe.txt. We'll notepad that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Now what if we wanted to use some other methods here? So I've shown you how to pull that information using ls. However, you can also use a command called gci. Get-childitem is what that's short for. And we can also spell that out, which is get-childitem. And with any of these, you can pipe them to a text file, and you can always validate that that works. Looks good. Okay, so basically, that is how you can export very easily and very quickly the contents of any directory into a text file using Microsoft Windows and using Windows PowerShell. This is a blink skill. This is intended to move quickly. It's intended to be a building block upon which you will build other skills and which will be built on top of other skills. Use it as such. You now have the skill. Thank you so much. This is BlinkSkills. This is Zeaun. We're out.